War Eagle. My name is Jadell Fraser, president of Emerge at Auburn. Emerge at Auburn is a student-led leadership development program which aims to give all students the tools they need to lead on campus, in their communities, and in their future career fields. Emerge provides many ways for students to grow in their leadership journey, including workshops, retreats, and our 3 curriculum phases. During the 2019 to 2020 year, Emerge successfully launched a pilot program of its 3rd and final phase of the cohort program, Transform. Transform focuses on allowing students to connect their leadership with positional leadership, both on campus and in their career fields. Transform also featured a graduation etiquette dinner, allowing students to engage in a professional meal environment. Emerge also launched the Leadership Lunch and Learn series, hosting 13 unique workshops over the course of the fall and spring semesters. These workshops were open to all Auburn students and featured relevant leadership topics like effective communication, servant leadership, managing conflict and change, managing organizational and personal finances, inclusive and ethical interviewing, and understanding self and others. A continued partnership with Delta Airlines helped increase the number of leadership and networking opportunities Emerge could provide to students. New initiatives were created, such as a networking mixer with Emerge at Auburn students and representatives from various Delta Airlines career fields called Backstage Pass. Also planned was Elevate Studio, a career development workshop open to all students. This year, Emerge's annual keynote speaker featured actress, producer, and change agent Yara Shahidi, star of Freeform's Grownish. Yara spoke to students as a peer about how to be leaders regardless of their age or position. In all, a total of 974 unique students participated in Emerge at Auburn programs last year. These are 974 Auburn students well on their way to be the change they want to see in the world.